small bowl here, I have about 3 medium-sized tomatoes. That's about 2 cups of diced tomatoes. To that, I'm adding mango. I took one medium to large mango, and I just diced the sides into this mixture here for the salsa. To this, I'm adding about 3/4 of a cup of green peppers. And then I will add half a cup of chopped coriander leaves. To this, I'm adding about half a tablespoon of lemon juice. And I'm also adding about half a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm adding the brown sugar because the mangoes I used weren't very ripe, so I just want to make sure that it's not too sour. So I'll mix that together, and I'm just adding a dash of cinnamon powder. You don't need too much. You don't want the cinnamon to overpower the salsa. And I want to just add a bit of pepper, black pepper, into this. And then just a slight hint of nutmeg powder, not too much. That's probably good enough. So I'll give that a good mix. And lastly, I want to add a pinch of salt. Salt is to your taste, so you can adjust that accordingly. This is a very simple salsa. This is what I call a weeknight salsa. And that's it. Your mango tomato salsa is ready.